10 times the superstar you will ever be. Believe that!
Randy is my generation's Shawn Michaels. He has the best timing. He's incredible. He makes difficult look simple.
John Cena, Randy Orton has become a rivalry. John Cena, Randy Orton has become the rivalry.
The first time I wrestled Randy Orton was almost 25 years ago. There are 31 world championships between us. We are the two names that define what it means to have ruthless aggression. You either choose Randy Orton or you choose John Cena.
I miss you, John.